the product categories. So I'll come to our create new product category. So this is the what? Product categories add. So I'll come and open application, then I'll come to views, then I'll come to admin, then I'll come to product categories add. Okay, so everything that is related to product category just begins the product categories. So this is the form that we have here. We have here the category name, you have the category photo, and you have the category details, and then here creating a category. So let us look at our form that we created previously, whereby we have this is a row, and this form is submitting to itself product category add process, or in fact it is what? It's another file that we're submitting to. It's a multipart file, and then we're having the category name, category photo, and the details, and these things are already populated there. So this is the product add category process file, and here we are doing what? We're uploading the product. So let us try to upload the product itself, and then we see if it will be successfully uploaded. So I'll just come, and that day let me just put mobile phones. Then I told you that for every product that you create, you have to maintain the shape. For every shape that you upload, you have to maintain its shape. Everything that you upload, you have to maintain its shape. Otherwise, if you don't maintain the shape, the dimension of images in your website will look horrible, according to the little experience that I have. So assume that I'm going to upload the mobile phones category. There's a website here that can inspire us, which is Woodmart.
Is it an e-commerce site?
Yeah, it's not an e-commerce site, just it's example.
You build it?
Yeah?
You build it?
Yeah, it's what we build. We build such with WordPress. Want to learn? The content is there. So why is it slow? I think I've not switched on my internet. Okay, so I'm going I want to be inspired by this one. We have different demos here, demos of different things that you can possibly build. You have a retail shop. You have a retail shop. You have an electronics shops. Electronics. What else? I think these are enough. So I want us to get the category photo. How did they create the category photos? The category photos, it is just a square of photos. Put here home, show all demos. Oh, these guys are adding more things every day. Ninjas are not sleeping. Then put Black Friday. Wow. Let me show you here the marketplace. Okay, so I'll open my Canva. Or I can use Photoshop like the way I showed you last time. So I'll open my Canva and come to all the edits. You know Canva, right?
No.
Yeah, you can learn about it. You go and search about Canva. Use it to create images simply, in a simple way. So I see this is what I want to see, something like this. I want to see something like this. So you see there are categories photo. It is what? It is square, but they're just having something like that. Okay, so I want to make something like this. So I'm going to just create a simple square. So I just create my own dimension here, create, and say I'll create my own custom dimension. It will have maybe width of 600 pixels and height of 600 pixels. You can create this one with Photoshop. So after clicking on that, I'll have something like this. Okay, so I'm going to do something like this one. Okay, so if I want to do something like this one, I will just come, I can either get the photo direct from internet, or I will just come and get my color picker. Where is it? It is here, and then I want to pick this color. So if I click there, I can pick this any color that I want. So I want to pick that color. I've copied it. So if I come here in background, I can click here, and then I can change the background color by simply pasting that one there, and then I'll have the color there. So I want to put here what? A mobile phone. Okay, so they have their own content here. They have their own, I can either search from elements by simply typing phone, and then if I press enter, I'll see possible result for a phone. Here there's nothing like is attractive. I want to make something like this kind of attractive. So I'll come and get a phone from somewhere here. Phone PNG image. So that's a phone with a background, without a background, but I don't think I'll get it. Phone category. So I can look for something that can be attractive to a customer. Maybe this one. Phone category, can take this one. Okay, or can take any that we want, but which is related to what we are doing. Let me see this phone category. Have this. We have this. We have wanted us to maintain the same design. Let me click here and we see what we've got. Okay, let me choose this. Mobile phones. The problem, this one is not clear. Okay, let me just choose this. Which one should we take? Okay, this will work for us. So just copy, right click, say copy image, then I can be able to paste here. So I can move my image, but I have no, I can remove the background. I have no, I can remove the what? The background. I can just move this image to be half here, copy it again, paste. My point is just to keep these images in what? In same size. That's why I create different dimension. So I have specific dimension. So I have something like this. So these are font category. I just download this one. Maybe I can say font, and then I can just download this one. So download, just put here, click here, and then say download. Okay, you'll be able to do what? To download the font. So after doing that, I can first compress it before I put this phone on the internet. Okay, so it is always good practice to first compress. So you can compress this image online by just simply put compress photos online. Okay, so I can just first compress it. For example, here before it is compressed, you can see it is 448 kilobytes, almost half a megabyte. But if you compress it, you see it is 400, and it's going to be removed. I mean 70% will be kicked off, and if we download it, we shall have only so 130. So 70% has been kicked off, and you can see the image quality almost remain the same. So if you're to make good websites, always first compress the images that you're going to upload there, not that one down. Okay, so this is the phone category that I'll upload there. Okay, buy any kind of phone in Banjul, Gambia. Okay, so I just create a category. So this phone has been uploaded successfully. The photo, just not the phone is so bad, the photo. So if I come here to the photo, to eShop, and I come to our uploads, I'll see the phone photo has been uploaded successfully. Any question? No. So what we want now, we want to save this photo in the what? In our database, the photo name. So here, in fact, let me put the photo name separate, but if you do like this, then also the folder of uploads will go. So what if we change this photo, photo location? Maybe we say no, today we don't want to put them in uploads, but this one will have been attached to the to the word uploads. So the better practice is just to do what? To put the phone name. I mean, maybe I can say I can come and put here category underscore photo. Okay, so I'll just keep this one as photo, and then I just concatenate this one here. So this is the one that I'll do what? I'll save on database, so that this uploads thing is not attached to to our name. Because when we move, we can change one ID. Say no, we should put all the photos somewhere without in another folder, for example. But if this word uploads is attached to our name, so what does it mean? Then we shall find a problem in moving the photos, because this upload and underscore shall have been attached to the photo name. So what now the remaining part is to do what? Is to save it on on database. So in case it fails, I can put here, I can attach it to what? To nothing. Okay, so I can create a no image file. For example, I can create my no image file that I should know that there will always be an image, but a no image file. So I can also create something like that. For example, I can search here something no image. Let me see if I have that kind of, in case so you don't have a photo somewhere, we can have that no image icon attached. So let me delete this. Okay, so let me get something that is okay. All these are for sale. Let me come here to photos and search no image. Okay, so I can do this. Okay, let me get one on Google. Just search here no photo, and then I'll have this. Maybe I can get something like this. So that a file, in case instead of having no photo, the photo should be there, but with a placeholder of no image, to keep our website in shape. So I can just come and paste this one here. If I want to be like, if I move and then it replace, I can first create there what we call a field. So I come here to elements, close this one, put there what we call a field, not a field or a shape. Yeah, a field. So we can click here this field. Now if I move just something like top, it's going to replace automatically. So no image, I can now download this one as a as a PNG. So I'll select this one only, so it's one that I'm downloading. So no image file will be downloaded, and then I can even do what? I can even first compress it, but it's not necessary. I'll just showing it how you can do that. So I'll cut it and then move it to to our upload folder, and then I paste it there manually, and then I call it maybe no image. So in case we upload a photo, or in case the file does not have any photo, it will be pointing at this no image. You understand? I can as well set this no image to be here by default. Okay, by default. And sometimes, not all the time that the user will upload a photo. we can first check if this photo is being uploaded before we start uploading process. Sometimes, now, what if a user did not upload a photo? Then it means that our program is going to crash. We are pointing at something that does not exist. Okay, so I have to first check if there's really uploading a photo. So how do you do that? Let me just put echo some pre-tag, and after I die here, and let me dump. Okay, so let me refresh. If I refresh, I'll see the content that I'm uploading at this moment is here. Okay, so in case there is no any error when uploading a photo, this error is equal to this error is equal to what? It will always be equal to 0. In case there is no any error, sometimes the user will upload no image, and yet you expect an image, so this error will be 4 in case there is no image. They change, okay, but in case the photo is ready for upload, this error is what? Is 0. And how have we got this? By just dumping files. So we should only upload a file when the error is what? It's nothing. So how do you do that? I can just simply do what? I can simply check if it's set. If it's set, I can check if it's set temp. This photo. Okay, photo category, then error. I check if I do like this. You see, if I refresh here, of course we're expecting a what? Expecting a 0 only, because it's the only thing that we are dumping. You need me?
Yeah, let me finish.
So it's what I'm going to check. So I can just say if what? If is set. First of all, I check if it is set. Okay, so after checking if it is set, then I go ahead and check if what? If it is equal to what? It is equal to 0. So after it passes these two conditions, then I can do the upload logic there. Otherwise, we should not what? We should not be able to upload anything. Did you understand? I check if this error is set. Secondly, I check if that error is exactly equal to 0. Then if it is equal to 0, then I'll be able to do what? To upload. Otherwise, if this is not equal to 0, for example, if I upload nothing, this error will not be equal to what? Not equal to 0. Let me just show you. Let me show what I'm talking about. Okay, that's it. You see, this is the what? The file that I'm uploading. Okay, now let me come and do what? And not upload anything. Let me just click there and then cancel. You see, no file is chosen. Now if I upload, if you did not check for this, I made it required, that's why you can be able to see that. But if I don't make it required, let me show you. Add category photo. Now if I don't make it required, say that let me remove this required.
Yeah, that's low.
Okay, I remove it. Refresh. I just put the mobile phones, for example. I don't put anything, I just upload. So you see, and upload. Can you see the error is what? Now if this time you try to upload, what will happen? Your program will. So if you want to make good apps, always first check if everything is okay before you really do something. So if I don't do, before I do anything, I'll just make category photo to be nothing. To point to what? To no image. Okay, so it means that this category photo will always be set, but it will be changed in case there is a successful upload, and it will be changed to this thing that we are creating here. Okay, so otherwise it will remain no photo. Okay, so we proceed. I remove this die and we proceed. So let me go back and upload a photo now. So I'll refresh and then I put mobile photo, a mobile phone. Then I'll come and drag and drop this mobile phone here, mobile phone category, and then I can say buy any phone in Banjul, Gambia. That will be what will appear that is success. Okay, so here in success I'll just do nothing. Okay, I may do nothing because I don't need to do anything. Okay, now after doing that, after uploading the photo, we have to do what to upload it to send information to the database. I can as well create this function to be my external function, that because we're expecting to upload many photos in coming time. So I can create this function to be external function, so that I will be giving it a what? Files. Or I'll be giving it a file, and then to be uploading for me what? A photo, and then return for me a name. I can do that. I think we should do it because we're going to do what? To upload many photos. So how are we going to do it? First of all, you should not have the specific.
Yeah, I want to try for the hard disk. Which hard disk?
I can come tomorrow and then I'll explain. A function that will be used to do what? To upload. I want that function like if we can give it just this. Yes. Anytime, baby. Yeah. So I want just to be giving it only this. This. And then to do the remaining logic. Okay? I'll be just giving it a file, a specific file with a name, and then to do the what? The remaining logic, and to return to me back the what? The name of a file that has been uploaded. So I'll just cut this code, then come to what? To our model. What is the model? Model. Yeah, my functions. I'm going to create here. I call it public, and then I call it my file upload. Okay, file upload. Okay, now see clearly, I'll paste all the business there, and then here it will be taking only the file. Okay, file, and this file I'll be just giving it something like this. Okay, so a specific file that is being uploaded. So it means that everywhere where there is this, I should just replace it with this file. So I can just press Ctrl F, Alt Enter, and replace it with this. Okay, let me replace by step by step. So I'll just replace this one with this. Replace this with
How do you
this.
do multiple replacement?
Ctrl F, Alt Enter. So I'll replace this one with this. Okay, so I'll be giving it an array of a file that is being uploaded, of a single file that's being uploaded from where? From the form, HTML form. So to be doing the remaining part.
So when you send the file, will it come with the error? It will come with the error.
It will check everything, and then it will return for me the what? The answer, whether it is correct. I mean the location where this file is uploaded. So I can change this one, maybe category photo. I can change it since it's going to be an independent function. So I can change this name. For example, I can call it photo, anything, no problem. Okay, So this photo at beginning, it will be nothing, okay? It will be pointing at nothing before it does anything, okay? Then here we check the file that we have been sent to, if it's having an error, and I check if it is having no error. It has no error. I do the upload I create for it a name. After creating a name, I create for it a target. After creating a target, I upload that photo. After uploading the photo, then I have to return now, okay? In case it fails, I set back, and then after doing all this business, here at the end I return what? I return the name of a photo, whether it was successful or not.
Yeah, so the just fell on.
Yeah, I have to change it. Very good.
What is this base name?
Base name is just a name that they have the extension that gets for us extension. So here I have also to do it to change it. Thank you very much. So I'll have to remove also this guy and replace it with this, because it's what I received. Okay, so here let us see how if it is working. So I'll just come here, and since we have this, so I'm going to just call that function and give it this one. Okay, so this function called file upload. Okay, so it's going to be this. How did you call it? Is it CaptureF? How we included it? If you remember, how did you call it when we were auto loading it?
I think it's capital.
Capture?
Check.
What? Config, auto load, the models. When I loaded this model, we call it CaptureF, right? So I'll come here, this control CaptureF. So let us first see if it is causing no error. I'm giving it this file. So this will just come to this directly, and then we'll be able to do the remaining logic. Let us see if it is not crying fast. Refresh. Syntax, line 35, my functions. I did not write the word function, I think here. Public function. Okay, so refresh again. No error. I'll just see if it has uploaded successfully. So of course I'll be doing what? I'll be waiting for what will be returned. Okay, I can now remove in this one. Now let me echo what is being returned. Refresh. See, the file has been uploaded, and if I search this one in my computer, I'll find that the file is being uploaded. So if I can delete all, I just keep the no image file. Let's see if it is really working. Refresh. I can even put this one on this side and this guy on this side. Refresh. Continue. File was not found. Oh, I deleted it. Yeah, so you see, that's the error. So I'll come and refresh, and come and upload this file by any phone. So I upload, you see. Why is it not found? Refresh. Mobile phones. Come and select the file. This is the file for the phone. Oh, I deleted it. Minimum file for the phone. I'll drag and drop it here. I'll drag and drop it here, right? So I can put by any phone in Panjil. Can be that for the SEO. Then I upload category. You can see it has uploaded. So, and you've got the name for this file. So by doing that one, we're able to do what? To proceed. Okay, so we're able to proceed. So what else? We have to save this information to the what? To the DB. So you see that function, you can use it to do anything that you want. You can even use it in what? In other projects. So to upload the information DB, first of all, I'll go and see the DB and see what we need on the DB. This is it. Okay, so I'll just come and see structure and see for file photo is okay. File category name, photo is text, details text, no problem. So I'll come and comment, and after commenting, I'll put this one here. Category ID, it will be handled automatically, and then category name, I already have this thing in the what. I can first comment this thing and to avoid multiple things be dumped in the heart. So I'll just put here category, okay, and then I'll come and refresh, and I'll refresh here. Then we have post not category. You have to dump what? Post, and then echo what? Echo the free tag and see what we've got there inside the post. I guess it's just the same thing that we have on database, because I always do the same things. So if I come and refresh, you see we just have category phone and whatever. So what do you have in the post? We have this, okay. I can also dump them here. So I can just copy this data. Which data do you have? Do you need? Can just first put is equal to what? Is equal to global variable post, and then so put semicolon here. Duplicate. Okay. So I need in the database. I need this information for the database. This one, okay. So I need a what? Category name. Category name, put it here, and then post I have category name, put it here. What else? I need category details. Get it here, and here I also have category details. Get it here. Okay. So the last one, category photo, which you will also get from the data here, and the category photo I'll get it here. So by doing that, I'll be able to do what? Go on and save the thing on what? On database. Okay. So to save on database, I'll just simply use the DB by saying if this what? DB what? Talk. You don't want to talk? DB insert. So I'll come and select the table that I want to insert to, which is category here, and then the next thing I pass the what? The data. So this data should be either an object or an array with matching attribute with matching indices as those inside the what? Inside our category.
So if you have auto increment, how will it match?
It will auto increment. I didn't put it there.
Yeah.
It will automatically increment.
Yeah. If it's auto increment and you want to use an array, how will you do that?
Auto increment. If it's auto increment, then you don't want to care about it. It will automatically increment. Otherwise, if you try to put something in auto increment, then yet it will increment. Even your program can crash. Then why did you make it auto increment? Auto increment is handled by what? By database. So here I can echo what? Success, and then here echo failed before I do what? Before I redirect. Echo failed. So come refresh. Success. So here I want to say the what? The message. Did you make the logic of message? I hope so. Function.
Can you explain the logic of message again?
That's just something simple. It's just a session. Don't you know session?
I do.
So if you know session, that's all. So the session, I just pass the body and the type. I can also make your own.
Yeah, how
logic.
you are printing it?
in the printing, I just go in the header, in the head of every file. For example, here inside the head, where's the head? Inside files. Do you have the head though? Views.
Yeah.
Header. Can you see? I just check if there's a message which is being set, and then I stop. Okay. So I check. I do my alert, and then I echo the session body, and inside here the alert type, I echo the what? The session type. Okay, and then I do what? I delete that message and set after displaying it. Something very simple. Okay, so I'll come and say the message here, and say here I'll say since it should be this CaptureF, and then I put what? I put MSG, and then I can put past the first body, which is the body. I can say new product category was created successfully, and then I pass the type. This will be a bootstrap class type, contextual type, which is success. I know it will be attached to what? To bootstrap class. That's my own logic. You can also create your own. You're not limited. Then here I can say what? Something went wrong while creating a product. Come in. Something went wrong. What? Welcome. To print or to copy?
Print.
Okay, sure. Come and print. To create. Come and print. Something went wrong while creating product category. Then I'll delete all these, and then change this contextual type to be what? To be danger. 1 minute, just 1 second. And then here I have to do what? To redirect, which will be redirect. Redirect, and I'll have to redirect maybe to admin. Let me redirect to the same place. Okay, no, it will be just be redirect to site what? Site URL admin stroke product categories or product category. I think that's it. And then what? And die. You get it? So let me first delete these photos that we're using for testing. Let me also clean our table. So just put here, come and say truncate product categories. Press enter. It is truncated, and then it is empty. Now if we refresh here, you can see new product category was created successfully. And if you check here, we have the photo that has been uploaded. Come late, too much late. Give you 2 hours and you'll be playing with them. So that's upload 1 to category. We upload for what? Here we have mobile phones. You can put watches and jewelry. In fact, let's mimic this one. Watches and jewelry, and they're having this kind of watches and jewelry. So I'll come and do what? And get watches and jewelry.
Hey, mobile phone. This one is put
mobile phones. Shesh. Watches and mobile phones. Let us put mobile phones. I'll put for babies and kids. Mobile phone, babies and kids, and then we shall put electronics. And what? Those 3 are enough. So I'll come and delete this. I'm no longer interested in it. Let me just get here a photo for baby and kids. fashion.
This one.
The one which is kind of colored. I want a black girl.
What?
Because black life matter. Get these guys. Copy that. But we have not maintained our image colors, and that can cost us a lot. But for the sake of saving time, let me do that. And I'll be like, did I click? Okay, just paste, then move around. Don't have the field inside.
This one. This is the one you delete.
Let me give it field, then move around. Do that. You have understood Canva already. Put kids, download. Hope you downloaded. Then you can come and get last one, electronics.
This one is cool.
This one, yeah, this one also for us. But it's not having, it's not square. But that's why we need Canva, because it's not square. Copy image. So come and Canva, paste it there, move around. It's not square, and I put there a field. So delete these guys with their field, and then I'll move over here, make them 2. Just make them fit. So I can make them 1, no problem. And you can see, am I wasting my time though? How should I make them 1 or 2? Okay, so I'll download this. Okay, those are enough for us, I think. Those are enough for us just to practice on. So I'll come and put here kids fashion. Just drag and drop here, and you can say boys, girls, dresses, and toys. That one is done, and then you can buy accessories. Electronics, all kinds of electronics accessories in one place. I upload. That one's also done. Now let us present them here. Let us present them here in the table. Still have more 5 minutes. So to do that, I'll simply come and write a function that will get for us the what? That will get for us the table. I mean the
I think we had that one.
The categories? No. So to be get what? I can write it get all categories. Get all categories. and I'll pass nothing, just be select all from what product categories. So I just come here, get it, select all from product categories, and then I'll not return only one, but I'll return all. Okay, so after I'll come to do, I hope you understood this, right? I hope you understood.
I think so.
So after I'll come and call this function this side. This one will have all categories, product categories, it is here. Okay, so our data will go where? Let us see the structure. Product categories here, so product categories, and then here we'll have, in fact this is a row, so I have to create since this one is a row, I can put also another row here of call 12, and then so I'll put the what? The table. So to be div class call what? Call 12, and I'll put here my what? My tab there. Okay, press escape, tab key, and then I can put a caption if I want. I can just come and give this one a class of table. Are you following? Table. I can give it table ordered. Okay, so I will come here and give this one image, and then I give it a what? Maybe a name, and then I can give it maybe count if I want to see the number of products there. Maybe I can give here some action, maybe like I want to edit and delete and do the rest action. And then here I'll come and put here img tag. I can just put here image, just blah 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 blah. So let us come and get the products here. I can get them here on top, the categories, right? So I can just write here cats is equal to this CaptureF, and then I write the function of get all product category. I hope that's fast if there's no any error so far. No any error, right? So you have to put the product categories here. So to do that, I'll just simply come and loop through this. So to be here a for each loop, for each, press the tab key and then put this one. So if you just write it, then HTML can also write it for you like that. Okay, so here I can put cat single category, and this is an object, so I'll name just dump here what echo and a dump. So if I don't want to make any mistake, I can just come and copy this name and keep them here on Akiba. Keep them here on Akiba. So I want the category what? Photo. Just carry it. I'll put it here. I want the what? The category name here. Just paste it there. Which is name here. I'll just paste it here, and then I want the what? The details. No, I don't want details. I want just the count. I'll be counting like how many products are in this category, and then I can come and get our bootstrap, or I can just put some simple links. Anchor tag, I can put here hash and put here edit.
If you have to use bootstrap, what will it be?
No problem. I wanted to use bootstrap group buttons, but I will not use them. Edit, can put here view, edit and what, and delete, and then I can give here a class of text danger, and duplicate this class for you put button, no problem. So I can put here info, I can put here put here success maybe. So by coming and preview, I hope there is no error. Yeah, there's not any error. Okay, so I'll put here the images. So I'll just simply come and do what, and put the images, which is going to be img, and then here it will come from uploads stroke, then I echo that, and then if I come refresh, I hope there's not any error. Yes, there is error. Uploads. What's wrong with it?
Concatenation.
I need to put
the PHP is
base URL. Let us see what we've got here so far.
The PHP is just
so if you come and see what we've got, uploads, I have to put the base URL. Can we put the base URL and you see? Alaikum salam. 1 minute. So let me put
the
here.
PHP tag is in the polybrace, is in the square.
Yeah,
in the
it has no problem. Can you see? Uploads stroke the name of the file. What's wrong with that? The thing is that
you should have concatenated.
it's already concatenated because this one is outside the what? I'm going to do it. It's outside the PHP tag. So this name just joins here. But what it is required here is to put the what? The base URL. So I just come here and echo and put base URL. Base underscore URL, and then I'll come and cut this and I'll put it and as a what? As a string, and then I concatenate. Now there I think it should work. So come and refresh. It has worked. So let me just give what? Give a limit by giving maybe giving some simple style. But I'm going to open you just 1 minute.
Teaching here?
Wait, we are discussing
Teaching or discussing?
100 and 8.
Can you just print for the...
I'm going to print for you. Just I'll finish this. 100 what? 100 pixels and also pixels, and then I can give it a, or I can as well just class. Okay, let me first show you this.
Which class was that?
I'm going to show you. If I refresh, you have that one, but you can as well give this one. Let me show you this class of bootstrap. You can just give a class of
what is the difference between class and ID?
I'm going to tell you. I give a class over class what? IMG fluid. See, IMG fluid will be a responsive image. No, I have to put back my what. There's like IMG fluid, then I put also some rounded. So by doing that, we'll have something like this. It's beautiful, but not so ugly. So that's the category that we have created so far today.
See, you have already in a class called image floated rounded.